Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi Rs4 versus BMW M3 Touring. We'll dive into their core differences, starting with what powers these incredible machines. The Audi Rs4 boasts a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering thrilling performance. Meanwhile, the BMW M3 Touring counters with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, known for its smooth power delivery and exhilarating speed. Both promise an unforgettable driving experience. Moving beyond the engine, let's explore how these wagons put power to the pavement. The Audi Rs4 comes equipped with its renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring superb traction in various conditions. The BMW M3 Touring features MX Drive, offering a versatile all-wheel drive experience with a rear-biased feel. Both vehicles are engineered to deliver precise handling and impressive cornering capabilities, making every drive engaging. Stepping inside, both the Rs4 and M3 Touring present luxurious and technologically advanced cabins. You'll find high-quality materials and intuitive infotainment systems in both. As practical wagons, they offer ample cargo space, perfect for daily errands or weekend adventures. Furthermore, both vehicles comfortably accommodate 5 adults, proving that high performance doesn't mean sacrificing everyday usability. They truly blend speed with practicality. Finally, let's consider their distinct designs and overall value. The Audi Rs4 showcases a sleek, understated elegance, while the BMW M3 Touring presents a more aggressive, muscular stance. Both command attention and offer strong resale value. Choosing between them often comes down to personal aesthetic preference and driving feel. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.